Ever spend hours cutting videos manually? What if AI could detect every scene change for you, automatically? That's exactly what we're building today. Scene detection uses computer vision to analyze pixel changes between frames. When the difference is huge, like a cut from one shot to another, it flags that as a scene boundary. The go-to tool is PySceneDetect. It's a Python library that analyzes video content and returns timestamps for every scene change. You can install it with pip. Here's a simple script. Import the detector, run it on your video, and get a list of scenes. Then we can use FFmpeg to split the video at those timestamps automatically. Once you have the timestamps, you can feed them into FFmpeg to split the video into clips. Then you can rename, trim, or even transcribe each clip automatically. With just a few lines of code, you can save hours of manual editing. Try it on your next project and see how AI speeds up your workflow.